Your Honor, the next is a resolution declaring a portion Barangay 275, Zone 25, District 3 a calamity area. Principal authors, Honorable Terence F. Alibarbar, Honorable Arlene Miley Atienza, Honorable Pamela Papagoso Pascual, Honorable Ernesto C. Isip Jr. I move, Your Honor, that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader. Is there any objection?
Manager,
Hearing none, the motion is approved.
may I seek recognition of Honorable Arlene Miley Atienza.
Councilor Miley Atienza is recognized.
Magandang hapon po, Mr. Presiding Officer. Kahapon po nagkaroon ng sunog sa pinakamalaking barangay po sa Distrito 3, sa Barangay 275, involving about 89 to 95 families with about 320 individuals. So kami po humihingi ng suporta para po ma-declare ang calamity sa barangay ng 275 and hopefully makatulong po tayong lahat sa sakunang nangyaring to. Maraming salamat po.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to dispense the period of discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve resolution declaring a portion Barangay 275, Zone 25, District 3, Manila as a calamity area.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to approve a resolution declaring a portion of Barangay 275, Zone 25, 3rd District, a calamity area. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
The next, Your Honor, is resolution authorizing the use of the PAGCOR Trust Fund in the amount of 970,000 intended for the fire victims of Barangay 275, Zone 25, District 3 in the City of Manila. I move, Your Honor, that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to tackle the said draft resolution. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, the Honorable City Mayor Maria Sheila Hanila Kunapangan is designated as the administrator of the trust fund pursuant to Section 4 of Ordinance Number 8464 entitled An Ordinance Governing the Handling, Disposition, and Utilization of the PAGCOR Trust Fund remitted as financial assistance to the City of Manila as host city and for other purposes. The Honorable City Mayor Maria Sheila Hanila Kunapangan to the Secretary to the Mayor, Attorney Marlon M. Lacson, requested for authority in the utilization of the PAGCOR Trust Fund in the amount of 970,000 in connection with the fire victims Barangay 275, Zone 25, District 3 in the City of Manila. The project to be financed in the amount of funding required shall be jointly approved by the City Mayor and the City Council through the corresponding resolution. The said amount shall be used as additional sustenance for social services pursuant to Section 2F of Ordinance 8464, which provides Section 2, the fund shall only be utilized for the following qualified projects as provided under the guidelines of PAGCOR, to wit, letter F, projects which involve the extension of emergency assistance to victims of natural disasters and other calamities and terrorism. With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to dispense the period of discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve resolution authorizing the use of the PAGCOR Trust Fund in the amount of 970,000 pesos intended for fire victims of Barangay 275, Zone 25, District 3, City of Manila.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to approve a resolution authorizing the use of the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation Trust Fund in the amount of 970,000 pesos intended for the fire victims of Barangay 275, Zone 25, District 3 in the City of Manila. Is there any second to the motion? Seconded by Consejal Nino de la Cruz, Consejal Marjon Isidro Jr., Consejal Bobby Lim, Consejal Fog Abante, Consejal Dr. J. Benaventura, Consejal Rod Laksamana, Consejal Maki Lacson, Consejal Miley Atienza, Consejal Papu Goso, Consejal Terence Alibarbar, Consejal Chari Ortega, Consejal JTB Villanueva, Consejal Boy Isip, Consejal Atty. J.B. Ison, Consejal Doc Louis Chua, Consejal Lou Veloso, Consejal Uno Lim, Consejal Atty. Lady Quintos. Is there any objection? Consejal Philip Lacuna. Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, 1 minute recess.
1 minute recess declared by the Chair.
Your Honor, may I seek recognition of Honorable Luciano Veloso.
Councilor Luciano Veloso is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mga 2 linggo po ang nakakaraan ay nagpasa tayo ng resolution na pinupuri natin ng isang Police Maynila sa katauhan ni Sergeant Julius Manalo at nagbigay din po ng pagbabahagi ng kanyang eksperyensya sa social media at nakahipo ng napakaraming viewers hindi lang sa Korea kundi dito na rin sa atin at isa na po ako doon na nakakitaan ko ng paglalaro ng tadhana at siya po'y nawalay sa kanyang magulang nung siya'y 6 na taong gulang at mula po noon ay hindi na sila nakita. Ang ina po niya ay isang Koreana at after 31 years ay muli silang nagkita at ito po ang naging kontribusyon ni Julius ng kanyang ilahad ang kanyang istorya sa social media at nakahipo ng napakaraming puso sa mundo po. At ngayon ay binigyan natin siya ng mataas na paghanga at iniaalay ang paghanga nito sa ating kasama bilang Police Maynila at bilang isang batang Manileño. Siya po ay nasa katauhan po nito ni Julius Manalo. Andito po siya. Kung mamarapatin po ni Julius na makapagsalita ng kapiraso dito sa podium na ito.
Magandang tanghali po sa inyo pong lahat, lalo na po kay Vice Mayor Yul Serbo and sa lahat po ng mga konsehal dito at sa lahat din po ng mga bumubuo ng session po na ito. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat na kahit maimbita lang dito po sa session upang bigyan ng parangal ang nangyari po sa aking buhay. Ang pagpaparangal po ay hindi po sa aking katauhan, ngunit sa istorya po na naibigay ko na kung saan ay napapanahon, na kung saan ang panahon ngayon ay maraming pagbabago, na pati ang family values at ang respeto sa magulang ay gusto natin baguhin. Hindi po ako naniniwala doon and I think family values will still remain kung ano siya dati, na dapat mahalin natin ang pamilya natin at ang magulang natin kahit na po ano pa po ang ating dinadanas. Yun lang po. Salamat po.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
I have your honor an ordinance creating the local youth development office, providing for its staffing pattern, purposes and functions of said office, appropriating funds for and for other purposes. Principal Author, Honorable Juliana Rey, M.E. by SK Federation President. I move your honor that we refer said draft ordinance to the Committee on Youth, Values Formation, and Sports Development.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.